Hi, this is King of Review. Find the common ratio of the geometric sequence for which a1 equals 1 and a5 equals 1 over 81. In this problem, we're looking at a geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence or list of numbers or terms where the ratio of any term to the previous term is constant. We're given the first term, a1 equals 1, and we're given the fifth term, a5, which equals 1 over 81. And we're asked to find the common ratio here. How do we do this? Well, we have an equation called the rule for geometric sequences that will help us solve this problem. The rule for a geometric sequence is an equals a1 times r to the n minus 1 power. The nth term of a geometric sequence with a1 as its first term and r as the common ratio. So now we have this equation here, and let's fill in the information that we have for the fifth term, a5. The fifth term means that n is equal to 5, and we know that the fifth term should equal 1 over 81. Let's enter this information into our equation. a1, which was given to us here, is 1. So we have 1 times the common ratio, which we're solving for, to the n minus 1 power. N is equal to 5. And this equals 1 over 81. So we have 1 times r to the 5 minus 1 power equals 1 over 81. This gives us 1 times r to the 4th equals 1 over 81. And when we simplify, we get r to the 4th power equals 1 over 81. So the next step here is to take the 4th root of both sides of the equation. So we have r equals the 4th root of 1 over 81. And this can be simplified as the 4th root of 1 over the 4th root of 81. This equals 1 over 3. So we've found that the common ratio is 1/3. Letter A is correct. Now let's double check that we find this to be true. We know that the first term, a1, equals 1. And we know that the fifth term, a5, equals 1 over 81. Now the common ratio is the number that you multiply the previous term by to get the current term. So if we take term 1, which is a1, and multiply it by 1/3, which is the common ratio, we'll get the second term. So 1 times 1/3 gives us 1/3. And now, to figure out what a3 is, we'll multiply 1/3 times 1/3, because 1/3 is the common ratio. 1/3 times 1/3 gives us 1/9. And again, to get the fourth term, we'll multiply 1/9 times the common ratio, which is 1/3. 1/9 times 1/3 is 1 over 27. And let's see if we get 1 over 81 for the fifth term. We'll multiply 1 over 27 times 1/3, because 1/3 is the common ratio. And when you multiply 1 over 27 times 1/3, you get 1 over 81. So we have determined that r equals 1/3, and we've proven that this is correct. Thanks for watching.